I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change the fan speed on your Synology NAS. Step 1. Open a web browser and then open the Synology DiskStation Manager or DSM. Step 2. Click Control Panel on your DSM home screen. Step 3. Navigate to the System section and then click Hardware and Power. The associated screen opens. Step 4. Scroll down to the Fan Speed Mode section and then click to select the speed with which you want your Synology NAS to run. You can choose from Full Speed Mode, which is full speed, Cool Mode, which is moderate speed, and Quiet Mode, which is the slowest speed. Click Apply after making your changes. Your changes will be applied to your Synology NAS immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.